How to use Similarweb. Welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we have an informative topic to cover, how to use Similarweb. So without further ado, let's dive in. Let's go to our Google account or any browser of your choice and type in similarweb.com. So once you've entered that, click enter. And Similarweb is a powerful tool that provides valuable insight into website traffic, audience, demographics, and digital marketing strategies. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or analyst, Similarweb can help you make data-driven decisions and stay ahead of your competition. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of using Similarweb, including navigating the interface, exploring the website analytics, analyzing competitor data, and uncovering digital marketing strategies. So here, as you can see, this is the first interface of Similarweb. So here, effortlessly analyze your competitive landscape. So as you can see here, these are the bar graph or the most visited websites. So the first one is yahoo.com, Inquirer.net, Philstar.com, gmailnetwork.com, and Rappler.com here in the Philippines. So as you can see here, digital research, digital marketing, shopper intelligence, stock intelligence, sales intelligence. So here, trusted by the best and brightest digital brands. So these are the brands or websites or company that uses Similarweb.com. So as you can see here, these are big names in the industry. So access behind the scenes analytic for every site online. With Similarweb Traffic Meter browser extension, you'll have easy access to objective traffic data and other insight as you surf. So definitive ranking of the digital world. So as you can see here, these are the top 5 websites here in the Philippines. The first one is shopee.com.ph or lazada.com.ph. Top 3 is amazon.com. Top 4 is Carousel, and top 5 is LBC Express. So as you can see right here, deep market insight, your fingertips, 100 million websites, 190 countries, 210 categories, 235 product SKUs, 5 billion search terms, 250 billion display ads, 10 billion content pages, and 8 million applications. So before we start, we have to click on this Get Started. So welcome to Similarweb's premium platform. So in here, I'm gonna be using a free trial just for tutorial purposes only. So here, let's create an account. So let's use our Google account as usual, just for tutorial purposes only. Click on your account. So as you can see here, allow this one. Once you have allowed that, it will load right here and it will create your new account. So hello, welcome to Similarweb. You're about to start your free trial of Similarweb platform. Please take 2 minutes to finish setting up your account. So let's click Get Started. How do you plan on using Similarweb for work? For me, it's for work, but if you're gonna be using it for school, you have to click on school, or for others, click on others. What's your seniority level? C-suite, team leader, manager, contractor, other. So for me, I'm gonna be using other. So if you choose other, it will require you to click on your security or type in your seniority level. So for the fast argument, let's click this team lead or manager. What is your company website? So you have to add here your company website. So for me, I'm gonna make a dummy account. So let's try this one. Click on next. How many people work at your company? So here, let's click on this one. Choose what applies to you and click on next. So what industry do you work in? So here, let's type in affiliate marketing just for example, so we can get pushed through. What's your job title? So for me, I'm gonna type in business owner. So your number, hit enter. What's your work email? Right here, type in your work email. This is just for tutorial purposes, guys. Click on next, or you can just skip this one. So here's the best solution for your needs. These are the suggested: shopper intelligence, competitive intelligence. So let's click on this one. Maybe later, so we can get through it. So once you've set it up, let's wait for this to load and we will explore the Similarweb.com. So here, upon loading, you can use this Similarweb.com in any aspects of your business, like website analysis, app analysis, web market analysis, app market analysis, SEO, paid search, affiliate advertising, and many more. So here, onboarding step, 4 steps to account actionable data. So here, get an overview of key traffic metrics. So answer all of these 4 questions, and as you can see here, just click on website analysis. You can see here that dive deep into the visitor or any site and how they interact. So click on that, enter a website. Let's try in Amazon.com. Click on this. So upon here, if you visit, total visits of Amazon is 6.940 billion visits in the last month. So you can track here the device distribution, total visits, the ranking, country rank, it's number 4, industry rank number 1. So you can see here the traffic and engagement over time. So when you use this one, you can clearly track all of the websites or applications data and information. So that's how you use Similarweb.com. So we hope you find this tutorial on how to use Similarweb informative and insightful. Similarweb provides a wealth of data and analytics to help you understand your website's performance, identify opportunities, and gain competitive advantage. So remember to explore the different features and reports available in Similarweb to uncover valuable insights about your industry and competitors. If you have questions or want to share experiences with us using Similarweb, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. And thanks for watching, guys. We will see you on the next video.